Hey friends! John here, and welcome to The Martial Actor. Today we're going to go over the 3 steps to execute the perfect hook punch. Hook punches originate from boxing, and they're meant to circumvent an opponent's guard. They also provide a method of punching that retains power when your opponent is very close to you. This method I'm going to teach you works for both orthodox hooks, right-handed, and southpaw, left-handed. Step number 1 is to lift. From your fighting stance, you want to lift your elbow to a 90-degree nook. Your elbow should end up parallel to the ground and should be on the same level as your shoulder. Your fist can either be parallel to the ground or perpendicular to the ground. It doesn't really matter. Pro tip, don't lift your shoulder. That will introduce tension into your arm that will slow your punch down. Keep your shoulder relaxed, just lift your elbow. Step number 2 is to rotate. In classical boxing, most punches originate their power from the rotation of the foot. You want to make sure you're rotating the same foot that you're punching with. So if you're punching with your right, you want to rotate your right foot. Getting technical, when you rotate, the rotation originates in the ball of your foot, but it goes up through your hip into your arm. In a hook punch, your arm doesn't actually travel that much. Again, most of the movement and the power originates from the foot and from the hip. Step number 3 is to cover. While your one arm is punching, your other arm needs to be covering your face. Hooks are naturally thrown when you or your opponent has already closed the distance, so you need your other hand up in order to protect yourself from your opponent. Pro tip, keep your arm relaxed until the moment of impact. Momentum can't move through tension, so if your arm is tense, you're losing force. You only want to tense your arm on the moment of impact. That's it for today, so take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you next time!